Have you ever had a dream, a wild, vivid image in your mind, but lacked the traditional skills to bring it to life on a canvas? What if I told you that all you need now are the right words? Welcome to the new renaissance, a revolution not of paint and marble, but of pixels and prompts. This is the story of how artificial intelligence is not just creating art, but building a brand new economy for creators just like you. Just a few years ago, this level of detail, this emotion, would have taken a master artist weeks, maybe months. Today, it was generated in minutes, born from a simple line of text. We're living in an incredible era where tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion are turning everyday people into digital Picassos. They're not replacing artists, they're creating a new kind of artist, the prompt engineer, the AI art director. This isn't just a technological marvel, it's a creative and economic explosion. We're witnessing the birth of the AI creator economy. Think about it, a single, well-crafted prompt can now become the foundation for an entire business. We're talking custom print-on-demand merchandise like t-shirts and posters, stunning book covers for independent authors, unique digital assets for games, and even entire virtual worlds for the metaverse. The barrier to entry for visual creation has never been lower. Let's look at some real-world examples. Meet Clara, a writer who always struggled to find the perfect cover art for her novels. Now, she generates dozens of concepts herself, perfectly matching the mood of her stories and saving thousands in design fees. Or take Ben, a gamer who started creating and selling custom character portraits for his online community. What began as a hobby is now a profitable side hustle that pays his bills. These aren't isolated stories, they're happening everywhere. Of course, this disruption brings up big questions. What does it mean to be an artist? Who owns a piece of art created with AI? These are important conversations we need to have. But one thing is undeniable. This technology is empowering a wave of creativity we've never seen before. It's a powerful tool that, in the right hands, can unlock unimaginable potential. It's about collaboration between human imagination and machine intelligence. So how can you get started? It begins with curiosity. Dive into these tools, many of which offer free trials. Play with words, think like a poet and a director. Describe colors, emotions, lighting, and camera angles. Your first creations might not be masterpieces, but with every prompt, you'll learn and refine your unique style. You're not just typing words, you're conducting a digital orchestra. The age of AI art isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. It's a world brimming with opportunity, waiting for your unique voice and your unique vision. The canvas is blank, and the only limit is your imagination. What masterpiece will you create? What dream will you bring to life? Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you're as excited about the future of creativity as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating.